Oh my God, oh my God. Hey guys, Stephen R. from My Fortune, creating fortunes for the future with Five Lily. Today is we're counting down to the New Year's 2025. I think we've got about a minute to go as the clock is showing here.
Woohoo!
And we've got all the people. And we're just outside the Sky City Casino by the cathedral. By the church, and we're counting down 47 seconds to go.
Yes, and this is the last few minutes of 2024.
And 24 has been a fantastic,
absolutely fantastic year for us.
29 seconds.
And
we're going to be seeing some fireworks, of course.
Yes, and we're going to be filming all the fireworks. So, hey guys, you're going to be part of this as well. You're coming into that. We are first to see the new year, New Zealand.
14.
Woo!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
I think it's going to be like that for the this is just so awesome. 2025. Oh my
So as we watch the celebration, we're certainly looking forward for a beautiful new year, prosperous new year.
Absolutely.
And this is part of the celebrations. And last year I was down here in the same space, same spot, watching the fireworks. Absolutely brilliant. Love the fireworks.
Love the fireworks.
There's going to be a finale. Just have a watch. Then you have a big banger. As we see all the people are watching. They're enjoying it.
It'd be nice to bring the kids.
Oh, you should have asked them.
No, but it should have been lovely, but
No,
we can't because we're in the Sky City. We're in the casino.
Yeah, but we could just put them down. They don't have to go to the casino.
Woo! All right.
That's awesome. Absolutely awesome.
Oh, some people are lighting their own. Oh, there it is. Woo!
Some of the privateers. Sky City in Auckland, New Zealand, blasting away,
Woo!
preparing for 2025, of course.
Absolutely.
It's going to be another fantastic year as we look forward for the building fortunes.
In 2025. It's here. It's beautiful.
This is a fantastic procession.
25.
Isn't that amazing? That was a Happy New Year kiss from the wife.
Woo!
On the back of us, we got some privateers setting up their own. There's some bigger banks.
Oh, look, this is just so awesome to be down here. Everyone is in the moment of just celebrating.
Auckland City.
And Auckland City.
At its best.
So if you're ever coming down to Auckland City for the new year again, come early. Come around about 9:30 because it's packed. The traffic is just crawling in. So if you want to see it, come in early. It's so awesome to be down here and witness this amazing part of being the new year, 2025.
Oh my God.
2025.
It's not modern city, it's at its best. And we should be able to go home and watch Sydney or Melbourne when they fire up in the next couple of hours. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! was awesome. Happy New Year, ladies. What do you think of the day?
It's all right.
Yeah, it's all right. Is that it?
It's spectacular. It's good. It's spectacular. It's beautiful. It's awesome. We
People
are
loved
the
it.
first to see New Year's. Happy New Year to you guys, everyone, and our YouTube followers. Thank you.